is my Remington 1100 BB gun that I purchased the other day. I got it over at Cabela's for $90, and this is it. But what I did is I painted it and I put wood grips on it. The reason why I painted it is because it had Remington painted, stenciled right here, which was okay, I liked it. But on the other side it said warning. It had a bunch of warning signs on it and stuff, and I didn't like it. So I painted it, and this is what I ended up with. I had a bunch of problems with the paint. As you can see, that it's not perfect. I kept on having what they call fisheye, and even though I sandblasted it down and I degreased it, I still was getting fisheye. Apparently I had some problems with silicone or something. But this is it. Everything works, and I like it. So that's all that matters, right? I compared it to my Winchester. This is my Winchester. I bought this from Gander Mountain. Cost me $100. And I actually liked it up until I seen that the Remington had a more accurate gun to the 1100 series. But anyway, I compared it. Went back 16 foot. And this is the Winchester at 16 feet. And this is the Remington at 16 feet. So you can see the Remington is a lot more accurate. I was getting it on the target a little better. And I tried. I mean, I was trying to be as fair as I could. You know, I wanted to find out what gun was more accurate. And Remington is more accurate at 16 feet. Weight-wise, let's see if I can get. Okay, weight-wise, Winchester, £1.14. Remington, 2 pounds. So it's more accurate to the real gun. It's got a full magazine. Anyway, that's my Remington. I just wanted to show everybody.